Four blonde girls, three blonde girls, two brunettes. Everybody don't get upset, I've been doing my best. You know I never get upset, I'm going to be the best. On the West Coast, we gon' party, no dress code. Motherfucker, you know that we party, let's go! Shout out to the shorty with the brown eyes. Everybody close to the top. I'll die for what I love. Call me Billy Potter. This is what I do, homie. I'm about to spin it harder. Holy water, pretty God in the water. This is what I do, Myrtle Beach, swimming like an otter. Nah, dog, really found the things. I'm accurate like Orlando with Lord of the Rings. Talking about Legolas.
Cause it's coming off the top for the dog. Bobby Blaze dancing to the homie, y'all already know, yeah. You couldn't step this shit, you dropped. I'm sick and tired of you ready.
Wait, do they look better than mine? I literally bought these just to come to the club. I was gonna buy Don't be kissing anymore.
Celular viendo en los vasos. Cuando yo le doy primo, yo siempre me paso. Siempre abrazo con cualquier payaso.
Shout out to the cutie in the broom. No, wait, it's Michigan. They ain't never moved. No, shout out number 43. If we get married, then get divorced, you are gorgeous, see? And then you can come to Florida with me. Yo, Nat.
Did I see you? Somebody dropped the phone
We go in pro, estilo en motivación. Voy agarrando más knowledge, clarifone visión. Saco el micro y lo pongo a vibrar con el español. No sé qué comporta con la decisión. Me gusta el rap como mujer, parece bien como ron. No quiero que se no.
me on the microphone, you know that I'm the best of it. When I'm rapping, you know I'm getting the cake. Because it doesn't dark like Severus Snape. I know that I was never letting it break, but I was trying to go and blow up and take the name.
Go get it, yeah.